Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Rosemary. If you are new here, welcome. If you want to learn how to do the bubble ponytail, please continue watching. I will be using combs, hair gel by Dark and Lovely, Marley hair, and braiding hair, as well as beads for decoration. I will then section one middle line so that I can have two bubble ponytails. And I'm then just gonna apply the hair gel on the line to assist with neatening and creating a straight line. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, as this helps the channel and myself. You know, the girl needs some motivation there and there. So I will then section two lines on both sides for the fringe. So before doing anything, you have to make sure that the hair is well washed, well moisturized, so that it's easier to comb it. And if you have straight hair, then yeah, you don't have to worry much about the tangling and stuff. So it being easy to comb means that you're gonna have a sleek ponytail. So like I mentioned, I'm gonna have two lines on each side to create that fringe with beads decoration. After sectioning everything, I'm going to apply the gel to lay the hair down and tie the hair with a wool, then secure with a ribbon. For a quicker option, you can just tie a ribbon, and if you do trust your hair or yourself that you're going to tie each and every hair and nothing is left or no bumps in any way, so yeah, you can use a ribbon for that. So I think a wool will work if you want to keep the hairstyle for more than a day or so. If you want to keep it for a day, then just opt for a ribbon, that's okay. Now moving to the cornrows. Before braiding the cornrows, I'm going to pre-stretch the braiding hair. If you want a full tutorial on this, I will link it on the description below. So there you'll find a very detailed step-by-step on how to pre-stretch the braiding hair. So I'm going to start braiding with natural hair, then start fitting in the hairpiece or fiber until I'm satisfied with the size of the cornrows. So I'll just be using a small piece so that it doesn't show that I've been adding, even though the color is a bit off, but it'll be as natural as possible. So another thing that I can promise you is that if you are a beginner in terms of cornrow braiding, you can just comment below and let me know so that I can create a cornrow tutorial where I'll be showing you step by step and explaining everything. Or you can just follow me on Instagram and then I will reply to you and then create a video specially for you. These are the beads I'll be using. They come with a stick in which you feed in the beads, then leave a hole where the braid will be inserted. then the beads can be pushed to the braid. So I will be adding about 9 or 10 beads per braid. To secure the beads, I'm going to use a rubber band. So basically I just tie the small rubber band between the last 2 beads and then cut off the excess hair. To flatten the hair, she wore a doek for a few minutes to further lay the hair down and remove excess gel. So for the Marley hair, I bought 1 packet and divided it into 2. Apologies for that because I don't have the box. For the bubble ponytail, I attached the ribbon towards the Marley hair ends, then attached it to the remaining section. After attaching the hair, I'm going to take 1 strand and use it to hide where I attached the Marley hair, then secure with a bobby pin. To create the bubbles, I'm going to use the small rubber bands. They cost about 10 rands at the Makula shop and they are more than enough inside. So I'm just gonna dip the rubber bands inside the oil so that they can be a bit slippery because Marley hair tangles a lot. So I want to reuse the hair because she's just gonna keep this for a day. I will then start adding the rubber bands to create the bubbles by making sure that I leave almost equal spaces in between them. When I'm done, I'm just gonna secure with a bobby pin so that the ponytail does not move anyhow. If you're still here, please don't forget to comment and give me a thumbs up. And most importantly, to subscribe if you like this type of content because there is more coming your way. So please do subscribe so that you can be updated whenever I upload. You are always welcome to suggest the next tutorial videos so that I can tailor the videos according to your preference. You can do so by commenting below, or if you don't want people to see that you're commenting, you can just inbox me on Instagram. Yeah, so please follow me there, and on TikTok if possible, you can do that as well. So as you can see that I'm distributing the rubber bands equally, so I'm just gonna pull the hair so that I can create that bubble look. So I will fix when I'm done. And this is the final look. So thank you for watching the tutorial. If you like what you see, please subscribe, comment and give me a thumbs up. I know that I've been saying this a lot, but yeah, it does help me and the channel you know, the motivation and stuff. So please support, and thank you very much for the support.